Lights, airplanes, and of course Old St. Nick at this year's Santa's Miracle on the Tarmac. Starting tonight, folks came out to the Palm Springs Air Museum for its Candy Cane Lane drive-thru experience. Look at that. Well, they journeyed through time, seeing more than 70 vintage aircraft and holiday lights, all while in the comfort of their own cars. Attendees even got an early Christmas gift. Each car received a goodie bag from Santa.
Oh, you know what is so much fun is that this actual airport has been here since the 1940s. So I started coming here a long time ago, and then they brought in all these great planes. I had to come down and see them.
And if you missed out tonight, do not worry. Santa's Miracle on the Tarmac runs every day from 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 through Wednesday. It's $25 a car. Advance tickets are required.